have a cat or dog at home? Did you know that they can improve your immunity? This is what Sabina Olex-Condor found out. She is an emergency physician in Madrid, and she made an amazing finding. According to her, based on 100 patients infected by COVID-19, people who have dogs or cats can tolerate the new coronavirus more easily, or even completely asymptomatic. According to Sabina, cats can have the feline coronavirus that doesn't infect people. This way, it is possible that people who have close daily contact with cats develop antibodies for the feline virus that can also destroy the human virus. Isn't it interesting? Are you enjoying the video so far? Then give us your opinion to let us know that we are contributing to you and your health. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up to help the channel. She came to this conclusion after asking the infected patients if they had pets when orientating them as to how to proceed with isolation at home. At that moment, she realized that none of the people infected had cats. Some patients had dogs, but almost none of them had cats. Although the research was small and without any statistics, Sabina will develop this study as soon as the situation improves to have a wider number of interviews. The doctor also says that this is called cross-reactivity and exists in nature. The daily contact with saliva and hair of domestic animals can reinforce people's immunity against viruses. It is known that this is not a guarantee of complete protection, since not all cats get in contact with the feline coronavirus, and also not every person develops immunity in the same way. In this case, the hypothesis suggested by Olex-Condor is that the contact with the saliva and hair of domestic pets might strengthen the human immunity against the virus. On the other hand, it is known that, due to the pandemic, the number of abandoned animals has been increasing. If you have any of the symptoms of the virus, socially distance from your pets to protect your whole family, including your animals. If you have tested positive for COVID-19 and your pet is behaving oddly, call the veterinarian and explain the situation. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.